Turns out getting connected and getting the Go Fly button to light up is quite an achievement, as you'll soon see. I think I'm going to start here. In the box, battery safety, disclaimer, quick start guide, flying safely, and care refresh, possibly some sort of warranty program. I think I'm going to start here with the quick start guide. Let's see. Moving along, downloaded the app. So the next, prepare the remote, prepare for takeoff. So prepare the remote is putting my phone. So apparently this is big enough that I believe you could put like an iPad or a Samsung tablet, so that have a little bit bigger monitor screen. That's very nice. Oop, that wasn't good. I guess I didn't. Oh, that's right. That should come out of there now. Alright, so then I'm supposed to connect this. Guess what? That's a USB-C or micro USB, and I need a USB-C. So I'm going to have to get that and take an account for that, and then prepare for takeoff. We're going to turn it on. First time setup, tap Go Fly. Okay, so I got past that part. So I'm going to put the battery in here. There we go. Moving along. Prepare for takeoff. Remove the gimbal clamp from the camera. Power on the remote control and the aircraft. Launch DJI Go 4. I'm going to take that off. We're going to take this clamp off. Okay. Oh, I think that's saying to remove this before flight. That's nice. That gives it a little bit of protection while being packaged. So now we're going to power up. Oh, here we are. We're already on. Complete the first time setup and tap Go Fly. I think I set it up already. Oh, I didn't power this on. And I didn't power this on. Seem to have some sort of problem. The power on. Definitely missing something, so I'll be back. So I plugged in the charger just for fun, even though I charged it up fully. I thought it seems to be wanting to charge, so I'm going to let it sit for a little while and see what happens. Maybe that's the problem. But we'll see. Okay, so here we go. I was having trouble turning it on, and it just kept turning off. And looking at where I was, it doesn't say anywhere in here, but what it says here is how to turn it off. So I just kind of backed up, and I press it once, then I hold it down, boom. Once it goes to all four, no, I just got to hold it, and there it goes. So now it's on. Same with the drone. Oh, I got to take this off again. Same with the drone. Press it again, count up. It's on now. You can hear it. So they're both on. Ooh, now it's giving us some. So now I got to connect it. Oh, now it gives me. So now I'm trying to figure out how to connect. So I guess I'm gonna have to watch one of those videos. I'm trying to take this plastic off. Try not to break the propeller at the same time. So I'm going to try a different approach. It appears the drone is connected to the remote because I was able to control the gimbal, the camera, but it's not showing up. I don't see the camera inside. I've got it plugged in. So I'm going to check the permissions. It could be something in the permissions. So I'm going to check that and see if that is part of my problem. So these propellers are spring loaded. And I'm assuming that way I can take them off easy to stow it. Okay, so basically all this time what it told me to do, I unplugged this and plugged it back in, and all of a sudden it came up, and now I believe we're going to be connecting. We're going to stay in mode 2. Okay, so it's telling me what to put on C1 and C2, which is basically, watch, my phone's going to fall, I know, which is these two buttons on the back, and they're customizable apparently, but I'm just going to leave it on what they recommend. Keep beginner mode. So that was the answer. I just unplugged it and plugged it back in, and there it was, just like that. So this looks like it's updating no-fly areas, and it'll maybe stop and not let it go into those areas where there's an airport or something like that. I would expect. I really don't know, but we are about to find out. Oop, there's my go fly. That's what we've been waiting for. And we're connected. Alright, so as you can see, I'm indoors. So I'm going to shut it down and bring everything outside and wait, because I think it's really windy outside currently. This is the screenshot of the app on my phone, and you can see I'm just sitting on the ground here, but it's seems pretty sophisticated to me. This is a screenshot of the app. I guess this is my stats, maybe? That's different. See, I eventually get it. Until next time.